Hello guys, I got a real turtle and it's green. Yellow. Here he is. Hello, I'm Terry Turtle. I was born like this. He's very squeezy and unbreakable. He can't feel pain, that's his power. And also he can speak because he's a very magical my mother brought him the adoption center. I also gone there. That's how my clothes are new. So we are going. This is so squeezy. And then, yay! Wow, look, he's massage. Super cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. Super cute. Okay, I'm just gonna keep him here and wait. Okay, I'm gonna keep him here and wait. Okay, guys, I'm back with one more. Okay, it costs the same. I got one more dumpling. Oh my god, that's cool. I'm just gonna keep this bad guy. I am back. Okay, that's what the hell. One more time, this one's magical. It's not anything epic. It's really fun. If you can also bounce on him. Let's say like unicorn. So speak. Hello, I'm pretty. She says that all the time. And some. Yay, super squeezy you are. And after 2 days my birthday, so happy birthday to me. And if you put a comment down below so I can wish your birthday. And make sure you don't live in the United States or Pakistan. Okay, so just don't know India's Pakistan's father. Okay, bye guys.